Dear compatriots, from time immemorial, the Tajik people have been advocates of peace and friendship between nations, and will continue this good tradition in the future. Independent Tajikistan, with its leader, the founder of peace and national unity, the President of Tajikistan, Honorable Emomali Rahmon, as a full-fledged member of the human society, has rendered unique service in solving global crises related to international and regional peace and security, and is a supporter of peaceful coexistence of the planet's population. It's a pity that this important point has not been understood. On the morning of September 14, 2022, the Kyrgyz military forces bombarded the border village of Tajikistan with shelling and shooting, which resulted in a hard loss of life and property. We condemn this unmanly act of the Kyrgyz border guards and declare that as the true heirs of our heroic ancestors, we are ready to fight against the ill wishers until the last breath and protect our country from the enemy. Let's all go head to kill. It's better to give the country to the enemy.